Hello friends, welcome back to Giggling Minds Flavors. In today's Diwali special, let's make Badusha, the sweet which is equally famous in both North and South India. Let's look at the ingredients. Maida, all-purpose flour, 1 cup, 250 grams. Sugar, 1 cup, 250 grams. Curd, 2 teaspoons. Butter, 50 grams. Baking soda, half a teaspoon. Oil for deep frying. Now let's get into the preparation. Empty maida in a bowl. Add baking soda powder. Add curd. It is to retain the softness of mix. And mix it gently. Add butter to it. If your butter is saltless, add a pinch of salt to it. We are using salted butter here, hence we are not adding salt. And mix it gently. Here is a tip for the sweet lovers. You can add a teaspoon of sugar to the dough while kneading so that it will taste sweeter inside. Use your fingers alone and not your palm and make it as breadcrumbs. Now sprinkle ice water to it and make it to a soft dough. Do not knead hard. Keep it aside for half an hour. Now let us make sugar syrup. Empty the sugar into a pan. Pour water until the sugar submerges. Heat it in medium flame until you get to string consistency. By the time the sugar syrup gets ready, we shall fry the badushas. Dust your palm with maida so that the dough doesn't stick to your palm. Make the dough into lime-sized balls by rolling it in between your palms. Apply consistent pressure and release the pressure at once. You will be able to feel this when you do it yourself, and then flatten it a little. Now use your thumb and gently press the center so that an impression forms in the center. Now heat oil in a pan. When it becomes moderately hot, simmer the flame and deep fry one ball. In case if it splits, it means the butter content is more in your dough. You can add little maida and knead it if it breaks. Once the trial ball successfully comes out, fry out other balls in low flame. Do not fry for more than 4 balls at a time. Let both the sides of the balls get cooked well. As I said earlier, it would take up to 10 minutes. Once it turns to golden brown, shift it to a strainer and allow it to cool. Repeat the same and make the balls. When you hold the syrup between your index finger and thumb, you can see a thick thread formed. Then it means it has attained two-string consistency. Now, soak the balls to the sugar syrup for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, just turn it to the other side and keep it for another 5 minutes. Now, remove badushas from the sugar syrup. Now your badusha is ready. Decorate with sliced almonds. Try this recipe and write your experiences to our email in the description box or in the comment section. Also share the images of your preparations if you happen to make. We will come up with another Diwali special recipe soon. Until then, stay sweet as Badusha. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can watch out the other Diwali special links in the description box given below.